Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of our trip to Bali. So we got a chance to visit Satria coffee plantation जहाँ पे वो खुद अपने हाथों से बहुत सारे प्लांटेशंस करते हैं कॉफी चॉकलेट्स और बहुत कुछ। ये मैंने कुछ फ्रेश कॉफी बीन्स देखे पेड़ पे एंड ये उनको खुद रोस्ट करते हैं घंटों तक बैठ के। And this is the Asian palm civet, which is used for creating civet coffee, or very popularly known as Luwak coffee, one of the most costly coffee in the world. And इसका origin Indonesia में ही हुआ था. This coffee consists of partially digested coffee cherries, which have been eaten and defecated by it, and they hibernate these civets and they take very good care of these civets, and they produce it and sell it worldwide. You can try these when you visit Bali. And these are the sample coffees which we got to try there. Then we moved to our next location, which was the Gitgit Waterfall. And cars एक limit तक ही जा सकती है. Then there's a lot of walking distance, and you can see this natural beauty, जिसको आप enjoy करते हुए अपने waterfall तक जा सकते हैं. So after walking a lot of distance, we finally got to see this beautiful waterfall, and these are the traditional gates which you will see everywhere in Bali and Indonesia. This waterfall was so peaceful, so calm, so clean, and it was full of natural beauty. We just enjoyed it a lot. After a tiring day, we went to visit this Lippo Mall Kuta in evening, which was at the walking distance from our hotel, and there was this live show going on. And then we went to this Ganesh restaurant. Yes, Indian restaurants. There are a lot of Indian restaurants, and it was very beautiful. It has that authenticity where you will not feel like आप इंडिया के बाहर हो. We enjoyed our meal a lot. This was our dosa, very tasty. And then after that, we went to see some traditional Bali dance, and it was very beautiful to see something of their culture. And हमने बहुत enjoy किया उसको. And this is how we ended our day. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट पार्ट में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.